How to allow message requests from everyone in Instagram. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to head over to your Instagram profile by tapping this button down below. And then here at the top, you should be able to see here the three lines. Go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see here messages and story replies. If I'm going to go ahead and click this, you should be able to see here message controls. Go ahead and tap that one as well. Now, again, we are talking about the message requests here, and in order for us to be able to get that message right away, or to be allowed that, what you're going to do is tap here others on Instagram. Basically, these are not our friends. So normally this is actually set to don't receive requests, but what you're going to do is make sure that it is sent to, or you have chosen message requests in here. Just go ahead and click this one right here. After doing so, you're going to do the same thing for your followers on Instagram. You are going to set this one to message requests as well. So yeah, that is how you are going to allow message requests from everyone in Instagram.